We just got a delivery. This is the Whoop Hydroband. So I was trying to swim, and with the Whoop Bicep band, look at that, it's already moving. It doesn't stay on, neither does it with the one on the wrist. So this is my 4th Whoop strap. I'm giving them way too much money, but I'm gonna try this swimming, and let's see how that goes. Welcome to the Whoop Strap Accessories Ultimate Unboxing. I've got pretty much every single Whoop Strap accessory that you can buy, and we are gonna unbox them today, show you what it's like. I'll start off with the ones that I already have. This is the Proknit Hydroband right here. It's already started to get kind of blackish, just something to keep in mind if you get the white one. It's less flexible than the classic Proknit. This is the classic Proknit white. See, it's more flexible. I can pull and tug, whereas the Hydroband, not as much. This is the black classic Proknit. This is the one that I actually got with it, I think, and then I bought the white one. That's what they feel like, right? You got the flexible ones, non-flexible one. This is better if you want to go swimming. If you are a fast swimmer, it's not as ideal, and I'll tell you why when we unbox the next one. This is the black Arctic Weight Hydrosleeve. Boom. Ooh. I love their packaging, very clean. Whoop, whoop it up, whoop it up. Oh, we get a Whoop sticker. This is like Apple, baby. Oh, you get both colors. I did not realize that. So like I said, this Hydroband, right? It's decent if you're an average swimmer. If you're fast, I grew up competitively swimming. This will actually still pull my Whoop off when I swim, when I push off the wall, when I do butterfly. It's not as effective. And if you're surfing, the turbulence in the water, like if you wipe out, this is gonna fall off or it's gonna move right from the pressure of the water, no matter how tight you make it. And I think that's really solved that problem with the Hydrosleeve. These are the 2 colors that you get. Wow, this is super cool. This is great for surfing, swimming, water sports, and you can still wear your Whoop. And you get 2 colors. They're 100% pure silicone, handling with care, dry naturally, rinse it out. Obviously you don't want, if you're using it in the pool, like you don't want too much chlorine. And definitely do not wear the battery pack when you're wearing this because you're going in the water. This is the Hydrosleeve. There's different sizes. I got the middle size because that's the Amazon Halo. Want to see a comparison? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you take this off, protect your Whoop, do it right. Over, under. Always wrap your straps over, under. So we take this sucker out. I'm gonna pick the white one just because it stands out more. And if we invert it, you can see it's got a little bit of a webbing right there around the entire centerpiece. And I assume how this works, there's no actual like specific pocket, but what we will do is place the Whoop sideways in the middle, like so, and slide it onto my wrist. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my wrist first. Oh, look at that. That's a legit sleeve right there. Pretty badass. Take the Whoop. It's nice and tight. It's actually a little too tight maybe, I don't know. But now with the sleeve, make sure to lift it up. You don't want to rip your sleeve. Put it on, and there it is. The Whoop is now inside of the sleeve, and I can wear this and do my workout, and the water is gonna be less likely to shove this around. That looks kind of cool, badass, doesn't it? I'll test this out for swimming. I'll let you know how it goes. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Interesting. Medium. Measure your wrist beforehand. That's cool. That's actually really cool. The thing is, you have to take this off and put it on. So now I'm done swimming, let's say. I would take this off, take this sleeve off, swim, and then reconnect my band as well. So there's that process that you just have to account for. Think about that if you decide to use one of these. But if you're gonna swim, you absolutely need one if you're kind of fast. Next, we have the upper arm sleeve. This is great if you're like a fighter, like judo. I'm gonna try to use this for boxing because when I was boxing, even with the bicep sleeve, it'll fall off with the force that kind of goes through my arm. I think any high activity where you're not in the water, but you need your arm, you need it to be protected and on your arm. I got the extra large because with my measurements, supposedly my arm is really big. I don't know. Sticker, guide on how to put it on, little manual. This one, unlike the Hydrosleeve, has an actual spot. This is where we get to put it in. Clips facing outward, here we go. Boom, there it is. It's now inside and we'll put this on our bicep. A little more of a journey to travel up our arm. Obviously I want the Whoop facing upwards, so we gotta slide it in this way. Little flex. Thickness wise it fits, length wise it might be a little long, but we can roll it up. There, now you have protection from all rounds. It's got an encasing as well, so if you get knocked, hit, it's not gonna hurt anybody. And this just looks cool if you wanna wear it. Do any kind of physical intense activity where there's other people involved, this is absolutely really good, or any kind of boxing, fighting. But as always, every time, you just gotta slide it off, Undo it, push your Whoop strap right out. Bam. All right, the last piece we got here is a bicep band. You have your classic 2 wristbands. This is the bicep band. These ones are a little bit longer, right? They're kind of stretchy, just like the wrist ones are. One of the most common mistakes is you want to go over. So I'm gonna give one of these away. If you want one of these, let me know in the comments below. You have 7 days, make a comment, and we will get you in the giveaway. Because I don't need all of these accessories. I'd rather give them all to you, babe. If you are a first-time Whoop user, make sure you use my link in the description. You'll get your first month, $30 off, whatever plan you decide. And note, you can get a strap with just the strap if you want, or you can get the strap with the actual clip itself. If you want a different color clip, keep that in mind. I have a white and a black clip. So this is interlacing, you want it facing outwards. Measure it, you wanna make sure it's tight. Boom. This is the bicep band with the little white. Looks clean. I try to pull it up as far up my shoulder as I can. It looks like it's halfway when you put your arm down, but when you're looking at it from here, it almost looks like it's the top of your bicep. Clean, pristine, I like the black. Don't make it too tight because your veins will pop out. But there it is, that was the Whoop accessories unboxing. These are all the different accessories you can get in terms of how to wear your Whoop strap. Test them all out and I'll send you a review. If you wanna see that, leave me a comment below. This is Shervin. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. See you in the next one. Peace. Whoop. Oh yeah, and we're doing a giveaway. Comment below. Do you want the free bicep strap?